Hi, this is Renee from PanoLand. Remove the camera slider from the PanoBot, turn it upside down, and attach the turntable. In this case, we set it to scan mode with 40 images per round. Then we shoot 3 rounds at different heights for a total of 120 images. Once all images are done, we create masks for all images using SAM3 in Comfy UI. The link to the workflow is in the video description. Then we copy all masks into the same folder as the original images. Open RealtyScan, import the folder, and start alignment. Now is a good time to save your project. To prepare for post-shot, export registration as CSV with type internal, external camera parameters. Leave all settings at default. Then, export the point cloud as type, sparse point cloud as polygon file format. In the settings set, export ASCII to false. You can now close RealtyScan and move on to post-shot. Drag your folder containing the images, the registration, and the point cloud file onto post-shot. Expand the image mask section and drop a copy of all your masks into the empty field. Set mask mode to remove background. Change max splat count to your desired value. For viewing in KR Pano using WebGL, splat count should not exceed 1 million splats. I am also limiting steps to 20,000 to increase speed. Once training is complete, export the radiance field to a PLY file. You can now close post-shot. At this point, our PLY file is about 230 megabytes. To significantly reduce the file size, we load the file into Splat to compress it. After loading it into Splat, click File, Export PLY. Select Compress PLY, and set your value for SH bands between 3 and 0, where 3 gives you the best quality and 0 gives you the smallest file size. I am saving 3 versions with SH band 3, 2, and 1 to check the difference in quality and file size. Close Splat and move on to PanoLand. I decided to upload the H2 version with 32 megabytes. After renaming the file to better identify it later, I am setting the initial splat parameters by clicking on the thumbnail. I always set the TY value to 160, which corresponds to a camera height of 160 centimeters in VR mode. Then I set the scale of the splat to be fully visible in the viewer window. Since I am right now in the center of the splat, I use the joypad to step back. I also optionally set the reveal mode to default to create a nice loading animation for slower internet speeds. All that is left to show off the splat is to create a new menu item for my tour. I select Panorama from the drop-down and then choose the splat using the thumbnail slider. Using the joypad or the keyboard keys WASD for moving around or Q and E for going up or down, I set the initial view for the splat. After saving the new menu item, the tour is ready.